by drowning. This is what the post-mortem examination showed to be the cause of death of one of the Ateneo men's basketball team members, Rene Baterbonia. Baterbonia, a native of Talacogon, Agusan del Sur, and Divine Adili, died during a team-building activity of the Ateneo de Manila University men's basketball team in Dipakulaw, Aurora on Monday. In an online interview on Wednesday with Aurora Police Chief Colonel Percival Pineda, he revealed that they have retrieved sworn affidavits from the lifeguard, resort owner, and MDRRMO. In their affidavits, the lifeguard and MDRRMO reportedly did not see any weights attached to the players' bodies, contrary to growing speculation online.
Sabi naman po ng tiga MDRRMO ng Dipakulaw, ay wala kaming nakita pampabigat sa kanyang pangat kamay at walang anumang pasak sa kanyang katawan nang siya ay aming titigan ng pulang lunas. Ito po yung, sila po yung MDRRMO, sila po yung nagbigay ng first aid kay Baterbonia. So yun po yung nakuha nating affidavit ng ating mga witnesses.
Meanwhile, Pineda said that a statement from the resort management said that upon the arrival of the basketball team, they advised them that it was only safe to conduct their activity in front of the resort, where their lifeguard was also stationed. However, their warning was later disregarded as the team proceeded to conduct their activity 300 meters away from the resort premises.
Nang dating po nila, nag-usap po sila na yung kondisyon ng dagat natin dito sa tapat ng resort ay safe dyan, mababa dyan. Alam natin ang sitwasyon ng dagat dyan. Pero po, gaya nga po sinabi ko kanina, yung pong team ay gusto magkaya po silang humigit po sila na huwag silang pakialam sa gawin nila activity. Kaya po, nung lumayo po sila, ano po nangyari yun.
Furthermore, Pineda said that the bodies of Baterbonia and Adili were found lifeless 5 meters from the shoreline, around 30 to 40 minutes after they were reported missing. The team was said to be walking in waist-deep water around 2:30 p.m. on June 8, which was reportedly part of their training, when a strong current suddenly swept away 4 members. Only 2 were able to return to shore, while Adili and Baterbonia were carried away by the current. However, the Philippine National Police assured the public that a thorough investigation will be conducted to determine any negligence behind the deaths of Baterbonia and Adili.
Sudan negligence of anybody or yung liability po ng kasinong partido ay ito po yung malalaman natin once the investigation has been completed. We assure you that we will be providing you regular updates on the progress of the investigation.
The ongoing investigation is being handled by the CIDG Major Crimes Investigation Unit. Kapatid Jazz Paredes, we